सेंटेंस नंबर 4 इज़ वो दयानतदारी से काम नहीं कर रहा है। वो सब्जेक्ट है और काम करना इज़ वर्ब। सो ट्रांसलेट द सेंटेंस। वो ही with he we use helping verb is. He is not, verb ing form is. He is not working दयानतदारी से with honesty. He is not working with honesty. In past just change the helping verb. We use helping verb was with he. Sentence will be he was not working with honesty. In future helping verb is will be, and in negative we use not. Sentence will be he will not be working with honesty. Next sentence is तुम मेरी राय पर नुक्ताचीनी नहीं कर रहे हो। तुम is subject and नुक्ताचीनी करना is criticize. मेरी राय कहते हैं opinion. Now translate the sentence. तुम, you helping verb are, you are not, verb ing form is criticizing. You are not criticizing मेरी राय पर on my opinion. You are not criticizing on my opinion. In past we use helping verb of past, that is was or were. With you we use helping verb were. You were not criticizing on my opinion. In future change the helping verb. You will not be criticizing on my opinion. Next sentence number 6. अफसर अपने फ़राइज़ से गफलत नहीं बरत रहा है। अफसर सब्जेक्ट है, गफलत बरतना is the verb, that is neglect, and अपने फ़राइज़ is the object, duties, and रहा है is the recognition of present continuous tense. So translate the sentence. अफसर, ये अफसर, this officer, helping verb is. This officer is not, verb ing form is neglecting. This officer is not neglecting अपने फ़राइज़ his duties. In past change the helping verb. This officer was not neglecting his duties. In future sentence will be this officer will not be neglecting his duties. Next, मज़दूर काम से जी नहीं चुरा रहे हैं। रहे हैं इस द रिकग्निशन ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। मज़दूर सब्जेक्ट है जिसे कहते हैं लेबरर्स। जी चुराना शर्क, एंड काम से जी चुराना शर्किंग वर्क. So let's translate the sentence. मज़दूर, the laborers, plural. So we use helping verb are. The laborers are not. Verb is shirk and ing form is shirking. The laborers are not shirking work. In past change the helping verb. Sentence will be the laborers were not shirking work, and in future sentence will be the laborers will not be shirking work.